I'm struggling right now. I am so hungry I can hear my stomach growling. I've already filmed 2 videos in this top. Maybe I should change my top. So I'm trying to get through this video as fast as possible so I can go make myself some food. I'm starving. I'm a little anxious. I'm a little worried about it because I don't know if I have any food in my fridge. We'll see. Anyways, let's get into this video. This is gonna be effortless, cute hairstyles. You could do this with short hair or long hair, but I'm not gonna lie to you and say that these will be easy hairstyles for absolutely everyone because that would be kind of delusional. I get that everyone has different hair types, but yeah, I'm gonna show you some things that I do and hopefully they work for you too. Getting right into the video, I'm gonna just let you guys know that I have little front pieces cut. If you want to recreate these looks and they're not really coming out the way that you'd like them to, maybe it's because of the cut of your hair, I would recommend asking your hairdresser for face framing pieces. I'm pretty sure they should know what that means when you ask them for that. Personally, I would ask for them to be long enough to still tuck behind your ears. When I first got them cut, they were a little short and it was really inconvenient, so make sure you let them know that you want to be able to tuck them behind your ears too. So the first one is seriously just a bun. It's a perfect way to do an easy bun that looks cute and messy. So I'm just gonna collect all of my hair upside down, and now my hair is like this. I used to be such a stickler for bumps in my ponytails and stuff, but I've come to realize that I don't care. I have my hair tie on my dominant hand, and that's the hand that I'll collect the hair with. With my left hand, I'm gonna pull it over once and pull it until you have about that much of your end sticking out, and some other pieces will probably fall through. I'm going to twist the bun and grab the stuff up here, and now you have this big floppy bun. Now you're gonna pull the band back over and just half it. Now you're gonna have pieces sticking out. You can go in and tuck them back into the band. When I do my buns this way, the band does stay exposed. I don't know if that'll bother you guys, but it doesn't really bother me. And then I'm just gonna loosen up hair at the base. I like to leave a lot of pieces sticking out, but if you don't, you can always twist them up and just like stick them in like that. So here we go. Here's my, sorry, I had to move this way so that you could see it because my hair looked like the same color as my tapestry. I did that all with one fabric hair tie. I required nothing else, and look how it looks very effortless. Number 2 is my take on a half up. I used to do half up ponytails all the time, but lately I've been really into buns, as you can see. And they give the hair more texture, so it's not just like ponytail and everything's down. It's just sort of like, I start parting my hair with a bit of a gap right here and right here. Also, I'm not gonna harshly go like this and pick up all of that hair. I'm going to lightly do it. I don't need absolutely all of the hair in the bun. As long as it looks like it's halfway up, it'll do the same job, and the bun won't be so heavy that it's weighing down the rest of your hair. So separate that out. You should have something that looks like this. Now, I'll usually put all the rest of my hair on one side of my head, and then this is all I have if you want an example. I'm first only gonna pull it until it's really little, like a small little bun. Like, look how small that is. It looks like a little turd. And then I'm just going to wrap this a few times. Some of the little hairs from the rest of it might get pulled into it, but I kind of like that because it makes it look really messy. You should have this weird thing sticking straight out from your head. For the rest of this, you're just going to loosen it up a bit, and by loosening it, that'll help this bun lay flat so it's not like sticking out. You're gonna have to play with it a bit. Those front pieces that I mentioned earlier should just sort of fall out effortlessly. I like to leave this really messy and textured so I don't try to smooth out all the bumps. Oh my goodness. A cloud just covered the sun, so the lighting is really bad. I'm sorry guys. Hopefully you can still see it. So now this is what it looks like. Because the bun is so little, majority of it is just the end sticking out, which I personally think is like the cutest part of it. So with all of my hair back, it just looks like this. I seriously don't feel like I have anything on my head. Because I used so little hair, it doesn't weigh me down, and I feel like it's out of the way, but not heavy. In my whole life, I've always been someone to just wash my hair, let it air dry, and do nothing with it. But this style is so cute and so easy that it's been motivating me to do it more often. Plus, if you put your hair all the way up, it makes your hair look shorter. But since it's only halfway up, you get to keep the length, so your hair doesn't look any shorter than it would usually. Next, I'm going to show you guys the simplest thing. So first, I showed you that bun that was right on top of my head. That requires you to bend over and collect all of your hair. Sometimes you're sitting in a class and you feel uncomfortable flipping your whole head open. I mean, flipping your whole head open. I meant to say flipping your whole head over. So this is a really good way to get your hair out of your face. It's the same exact bun, but you don't have to do all that. So you do it at the nape of your neck. I think nape is the word that you use. You collect it right here. And like I said, you're going to pull it until it's just some of the ends left, and then you turn it, and then this big bun, you're gonna half it, and then that'll leave you with a ton of pieces sticking out. It does, at least for me. And I'll tuck some of the really long ones in, but then I'll leave out some of the short ones because it adds some texture, like I've been saying. So from the side, it just looks like this. Doing your bun like this almost looks like you tried really hard, but clearly I didn't. You saw me, it took a couple seconds. If I'm doing something that requires me to look down, like writing on a piece of paper, and I don't want my bangs falling in my face, I'll leave it like this, but you can also pull those pieces out. Usually I'll actually pull them out like this, but I know myself and I can't deal with hair in my face, so even if I pull them out of the bun, I always end up just tucking them behind my ear. And yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like, and comment down below what you thought of this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.